All right, another Ben Cooper inspired doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So you've probably seen from past doodles I've done, I've brought up Ben Cooper. Ben Cooper was a company that made Halloween costumes, really cheap Halloween costumes, probably dating back to the 50s. They were really popular in the 60s and 70s. And they did many different skull designs, and this was one that was a little more aggro, kind of very angry, big eyes, and a large amount of teeth in this in the jawline. They did a bunch of different skull versions with top hats and some that were kind of more jokey. This one was kind of unique, so I thought I'd try and recreate it. They always have like gold teeth as well, and so put some gold teeth on this one and stuck with the Ben Cooper kind of colors here. The bright greens, the bright blues, and the yellows, and the bloodshot eyes. If you look it up, you'll find this one. Again, they did a lot of different designs. I gave this one overall just kind of a light blue color just to kind of make it stand out from the background because the background is coming up, and I did a bright yellow background on it. And if you have some time, go look up Ben Cooper and the Mask Company. And there you have it. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you around. Thanks.